Good morning, brothers and sisters. This is Untouchable Mama. I just want to say today's topic about before getting married, you have to stay with the person first. You know, some people dey, I break am down. Some people dey before you go do marriage. You know, the man wey you wan marry, you no even know am like that. Even the woman wey you wan marry, dem no know theirself. You understand? Maybe some one go dey for Milano, the other one go dey for Torino. Dem go dey see theirself once a month, or maybe that one the girl go dey come, maybe like if he stay for 10 days for a house, he comot. Maybe they don stay like that for 2 years. After when they don stay like that for 2 years now, they'll come decide say they wan do marriage. That kind marriage, if you do am, my sister, if you run enter, you go still run come out. Why? Person wey you wan marry, or my brother, person wey you wan marry, una you suppose at least minimum una stay for the same house for 1 year. Shey you understand? You know say my character, your character, una go know. Shey you understand? You go that's una go understand between two of una character, because you no just enter say you wan maybe say you wan do marriage, say you just enter like that go do am. E no good, because marriage na something wey you go stay forever. You understand? Because you decide say this person you wan stay with am, you must know him character before you say you wan go do marriage. Una will stay together at least minimum for 1 year. If una stay for 1 year together, una don know una character before una decide say una wan do marriage. Some people dey, especially our girls, wetin dem dey do if dem see say dem don reach like 35 years, you go say time don dey go. This my boyfriend wey I don dey wey me with am don dey friend for 1 year now, 2 years now. I will just tell am say make we just do marriage. Maybe the boy go tell you say okay, make we do the marriage, and you, because you suppose, you woman, na you suppose make you dey think before you go say you wan do marriage. You know why? Because our boy dey feel say if I go do the marriage no go, I will just kukuma follow another person. But you now wey be woman, you go say make you respect yourself. You understand? Because e no good make woman dey flirt up and down. E no good at all. So you wey be woman, na you go think pass before you go say okay, let's do this marriage. Because you have to think twice. Say this character of this person, may I see as e be, may I go stay with am, may I see. If you stay with that person, say you see say the character with your own no match. You know say character na many things. The way to live, the way the boy take dey do for house, the way they take dey talk. You understand? You know say some people dey now, you go stay with, and na so still be for our women. You know say our women some dey now, if e dey for single, e never marry, e never even born, you know, e just dey alone. The life wey she dey live, you go want make e live am if you don marry, and not be the same. You must change everything. Because life wey you dey use the time wey you dey single, no be you go use when you don marry. Because maybe some girls now, or some boys now, dem dey go for dem dey go every day, dem dey go for bar, go with their friends. If you don marry, all that thing go change. It must change, because you are now a married man, you are now a married woman. You understand? So now make person dey think twice before you go say yes I do. Because if you don't say yes I do, that yes I do na yes I do. No be say you just enter today, tomorrow you go say no, I not do again. No be so. So more na dey think calm before una say yes I do. Stay with a man, because some men dey, if you reach their house, they no dey maintain now. Go just, you know, na so women still dey. Just if you comot a cloth, you go throw one for one side. And maybe now you woman, you not like something like that, or maybe now you man, you not like something like that. At least, you know. So before una go say yes I do, una go sit down, stay together for 1 year, and see the kind character person wey you dey with. Not because you say you dey for Milan, or you dey for Torino, that una say una don tey, so make una just do marriage. That marriage, if you run enter, you go run come out. Na me talk am, because marriage no easy. Many things dey wey you go dey bear for inside body. Because as you don marry, you go make sure say you know the person wey you dey stay with. na him. And if you don born, if you wan born, because you know say person, if you do marriage, na some people dey go get belle go do marriage, some dey go marry then go born before you go get belle. So that one, because if you don carry if pikin don enter inside, e no dey let person dey run come out again. You come dey think many things. See, especially we women, we come dey think many things. Say, oh, I don enter, I don born one, I no wan comot for here, make person no go dey laugh me, dem go dey laugh me. And you no want make you marry for, make you born for this one, then you go born for another person. You understand? Because e no be wetin good, no be wetin good at all. Na wetin now some people dey do and they comot for there go there, but maybe now e get wetin cause am, or maybe person wey born for e die or something like that, or the man drive am, you know, e dey happen. That one no go, that one dey different. That one no fit stay, e wan stay forever, say e no born join im pikin again. So na be the topic of today. If you wan marry, make una first stay together before una know una character. Before at least 1 year is okay to know the kind person wey dey for your front before you go say okay, let's go and do marriage. Because our girls, then they do and say their age don dey go. No worry, your age never comot like that. You understand? No be say because of say I don reach 35 years old, na 40 I just dey go now, make just dey run dey go say you wan go marry. No be so. Make you pray for God, make God bring the right one for you. You understand? He go bring the right one for you. Not just fall inside like this, say I wan do marriage now because I say I wan do marriage. I want me I still talk say I get husband or I get wife, I get husband or I get wife, say na because of that one now you go dey run go dey do marriage. Marriage na wetin you go sit down do, because na your whole life na dem dey talk about. So you understand? So na that one say me I still tell our brothers and sisters, relationship together before you say yes I do is dey very important. If una stay together, una must know between two of una character whether e match. If e no match, no be problem say person go do marriage. So na so this one reach, my sisters. I pray for everybody, make una see una old husband marry the right one. That's why I still pray for our girls, make them see. That's why I pray for our boys, make them see the right person marry for their life. God bless you all till we talk again. Bye bye.